Hey guys, welcome in. Today we are doing a paper airplane flying across to your screen. Fast and quick, this is how I used to do them back in the day. So you can use any sheet of paper that you want. I'm gonna do the green one here.
There are so many different ways to do paper airplanes. This is just the way I used to do it growing up as a kid myself. So take that first top corner.
Hold the paper vertically up and down, and then you can make two triangles. I usually try to leave a little bit of gap or space in between, and then fold the whole thing all the way over.
And then make sure it's a nice crease all the way nice and strong there. You can use your nail.
And then as you turn this over, try to really get a thin triangle as nice as you can going up here. That's kind of the first one. And then do that same thing on the opposite side. And then the last part is to get a really, really long triangle going all the way down to the back. It's kind of flat as you can. And do the same thing on the opposite side. Okay, so that is kind of our shape. And then you open it up. Ooh, that looks pretty good. I like this one. All right, let's test this one out. Let's see how far I can get. It's like, nice. Nice. All right, so as always, I am Mr. Shooty. This is Mr. Shooty's Art Channel, and we'll talk to you guys later.